get fit thinking about going to the gym. And likewise, you don't buy a home by waiting for the perfect time. Action beats intention every rep. Everyone wants the results, but few commit to the routine. Homeownership, like fitness, rewards consistency, not motivation. You don't start lifting your goal weight. Same with buying a home. You start where you are, not where Instagram says you should be. A coach shortens the pain. Personal trainer for body, loan officer for finances. Not having a coach costs struggle and pain. Form matters more than ego. Bad financial form hurts you more than lifting heavy. Strength is built before it's visible. Financial prep begins long before the keys hit your hand. You don't quit because you're sore. You quit because you forgot why you started. A home is about stability, freedom, family, not rates. Small wins stack. One lift, one credit tweak, one saved dollar. Momentum does the heavy lifting. Renting is a lot like doing cardio only and wondering why you're not getting stronger. You're comfortable, but you got no long-term muscle. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. It's right now. Finish the rep. Start the plan. Woo! There's a saying, the hardest thing to do and the right thing to do are often the same thing. So get after it. Go for it. Or go back to bed. The choice is yours. And if you're renting, just remember this, you're paying somebody's mortgage. It's just not your own.